This lesson is for those who know the names of the notes on the piano and want to know how to play songs and accompaniments. Chords play an important part in music. A chord is at least 3 notes played together. We call a sequence of chords a harmony. Composers use harmonies in almost every musical style: classical, jazz, rock, etc. So what is the function of the chord in music? The chord serves the purpose of enriching the sound of the instruments. If we sing or play the melody, and we accompany the melody with chords, it will make the melody sound better. I will give you an example of chord accompaniment. Let's listen to the melody without chords, and then listen to the melody with chords. As you can hear, the accompaniment with chords makes the melody richer. You can use chords to accompany singing, and then if you want to sing and accompany yourself on the piano, you will not have to play the melody on the piano while singing. You only need to play the chords. The basic chords are called triads. It means they are played with 3 notes. Most chords are divided into 2 types: minor and major chords.